How to write a competitive offer in this market. A lot of buyers think it's just whoever bids the most, and that's not actually true. Sellers look at the other terms that are laid out in the purchase agreement. So some of the things that you can do to make your offer competitive: one, obviously, is price, but don't offer an absurd amount where it's unrealistic that the home would appraise at that. Number two, earnest money. It's like your security deposit. It's your good faith estimate that you are gonna do what you say you are in the contract. It shows the seller that, hey, you are a serious buyer, and it just goes towards your bottom line. It's not in addition to. Another thing to do to be competitive is to pay your own closing costs and limit the amount of credits that you're asking for the seller. Because typically, if it's a multiple offer situation, the seller is not going to be willing to pay any of your closing costs. And these are just a few of the things that you can do to make your offer competitive. I actually have 15 different things that we look at. If you're interested in learning about the others, shoot me a DM.